everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing this Trendy in Tokyo palette by BH Cosmetics, as it is super cute and really pretty and super kawaii. I love the bright colors. As you know, I love bright colored makeup. Quite honestly, I don't think I've ever done a natural look because I don't know how, because I just like covering myself with rainbows and pink and things. So yeah, let's get started. So, looking at this palette, it comes in the packaging like this. It's really pretty. It has all sorts of beautiful things that are in Tokyo on it. Really pretty. Like there's some paper cranes here and some koi fish and things. So yeah, you ready to see the inside? You probably already seen the inside. This review's a little late. I think this palette came out about a year ago, but I wanted to show you guys how cool it is. So this is the shades. Look at how bright and beautiful they are. They are really pigmented. I like them. So here are the shades. There's Blossom, Trendsetter, Lively, Fortune, Anime, Fashion, Bamboo, Electric, Emoji, Sushi, Wasabi, Sake, Mount Fuji, Karaoke, Tempura, and Kyoto? Correct me if I'm saying that wrong. So I looked it up and it's pronounced Kyoto. And I think it's a city, according to Google, it's a city in Japan. So that's really cool. On to the swatching. So yeah, let's go ahead and swatch them. So I think we're going to start with the shade Blossom here. And I'm just going to take a little bit. Oh, this is a very pretty, like, pastel-y base color. I don't know if you can see it. I probably should put more. It's a really pretty pastel-y pink. You can see. There it is on my finger. Then we have Anime, which is a really pretty pink shade. Look at that. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. And this one, I'm not doing very good swatches. I don't swatch very well. This one's just like Blossom, although much more shinier. Then we have Emoji, which is a really pretty bright pink. Boop. Yes, that is a very bright pink, really pretty, really pastel. Or all of these together would just make an amazing look. Stay till the end. I'm going to do a little look with this palette. It's going to be really pretty. So yeah. Then we got Mount Fuji, which is a darkish red, pinky maroon color. Cute. It looks like hot Cheetos. But like in the best way possible because it looks cool. Yes. Very Valentine's-y-esque. Next we have Trendsetter, which is a bright orange. Which is really pretty. An orange, just as orange should be. Fashion, which is another bright red. Whoops. Oh no! See guys, I don't know how to do swatches. Look what I did. I put the, it'll be fine. This red one, which is called Fashion, which is a really bright red color and really pretty. What are you doing? All your fingers are like that from swatching. I don't know. But anyway, then we got Sushi, which is an even brighter orange. Wow, that's fun. These are so pretty! And then, now that I've run out of fingers, I'm going to go wash my hands. I'll be right back to do the next next color so I don't mix them together, which would be really bad. One moment, please. So yeah, I still got the swatches on this hand, but my fingers are clean, so I can swatch more colors for you. So yeah, basically, most of these colors are super pigmented, super bright. I love the pinks so far. And then yeah, we're going to go in. Did I already do karaoke? No. So we're going to do this yellow shade, Karaoke. Oh my gosh, it's so yellow. Oh my gosh, how are these so pigmented? They're so pretty. Yes. And then we got Lively, which is like a pretty mermaid shade. Ooh, sparkle. Swatch that there. Oh my gosh, this is such a mermaid vibe. You can see it. Then we got Bamboo, which is a dark green shade. That doesn't scream 80s. I don't know what does. That's so pretty. Wasabi is one of my favorites because it's electric green. Oh, actually, whoa! It comes off yellow. That's cool. Yes, that's pretty. Comes off yellowy green. And then Tempura, which is just nice pastel yellow, as you can see. Then we have Fortune, which I'll give that a, which is a really pretty blue. I love blue. Blue and pink are my favorite colors. Electric is a dark blue, like so. That one's really pretty. And no, that's like a dark violet. Ooh. We've got Sake, which is a dark purple. So you can see, oh, it's so pretty. I'm so excited to create a look with this. Can't wait to show you guys what it looks like. So you can see there, and koito, I'm really sorry if I'm saying that wrong. Please correct me, friends. This dark purple shade. So yeah, that's all the swatches. Not too bad for my first review of a palette video. And let's create a look with it. So yeah, let's go ahead and do a cute eyeshadow look with this. I'm gonna go ahead and take just some concealer, put on my eyes, and yeah, like joke. Let's go ahead and do a pink look, of course. Going in with this color Blossom. Just my base color, you know, keeping it soft. And then I'm gonna go in with Emoji. Yes, this is a very happy color, and I'm gonna put it like everywhere. I don't know. Okay, that didn't make much sense. I just like to put it like right here, up like I normally would, just all around, like so. Yeah, that made no sense. Basically, I put it on my crease and upper eyelid. There we go. That's beauty guru talk. I know what I'm doing. Okay. And then I'm going to take the anime shade and put a little speckle. Like right here. Ooh, that's pretty. And we'll take some and we'll put some right here. Whoops, that was a lot. Oh well, I still look like a My Little Pony. Honestly, this is kind of iconic, so I don't care. And yeah. You know what, we should probably add some blue too. Let's add a little bit of this Fortune shade, which looks so pretty. I like adding blue to my looks. So yeah, I'm gonna do the rest of my face makeup, and I will see you for the outro. And here's the finished look. I really like this palette. I would definitely recommend it. It's a good price. I think it's like $16, $15. I'm not quite sure. I'll have to check on it. But yeah, here is the Trendy in Tokyo palette with it on. If you want to do something more subtle, you can. I personally like looking like an 80s pop star, so yeah. And anyway, friends, please remember to hit that subscribe button. And yeah, love you guys.